Hello guys, welcome to Supremacino classes. Guys, be ready for dictation number 7, especially prepared for Ranchi PS skill examination. गाइज ये टोटल जो है 1244 वर्ड का जो है डिक्टेशन है, जिसको मैं दो पार्ट यानी कि डिक्टेशन नंबर 8 और डिक्टेशन नंबर 9 में कन्वर्ट करके आपको दूंगा. सो बी रेडी. 5 सेकेंड. Law points the right to property of wife would not blossom into absolute estate as contemplated under section 14 under bracket 1 of Hindu Succession Act 1956. Facts: the suit properties along with certain other properties formed the joint family properties of one G. Pulla Reddy and his two sons G. Pichi Reddy and Gadam Rami Reddy. The said properties were partitioned in 1947 into 3 equal shares and were separately enjoyed by the 3 co-shares thereafter according to such partition. On 21st December 1952, G. Pulla Reddy executed and registered a deed of gift giving a limited right in his share of the properties to his wife Gadam Sesma. In terms of the gift deed, Sesma was given a limited right of enjoyment of the properties during her lifetime without right of alienation, and remainder was vested in G. Rami Reddy. It was stipulated that after Sesma's death, the properties would devolve on G. Rami Reddy. G. Pulla Reddy died in or about 1957. At about the same time, Sesma is said to have executed a deed of reclaimment in respect of 1.89 acres in R.S. numbers 93 by 2 and 1 by 1, and also executed 2 sale deeds in favor of one Mukalla Chenna Reddy and Vintha Ramakotoreddy in respect of some of the aforesaid properties. On 17th February 1972, Sesma also executed, registered a will in favor of her grandchildren through G. Pichi Reddy, bequeathing the properties which were received by her through the gift deed dated 21st December 1952 to them. Apparently, in view of all the aforesaid alienation by Sesma, G. Rami Reddy filed OS number 17 of 1957 against Sesma, Mukalla Chenna Reddy and Vinitha Ramakato Reddy before the district munsif Tittuvar for a declaration that the seal deeds dated 31st January 1967 and 16th July 1974 executed by his mother Sesma in favor of Mukalla Chenna Reddy and Vinitha Ramakoto Reddy, who were made defendant numbers 5 and 6 in the suit, did not affect his rights in the properties. He also prayed for permanent injunction against the said defendants from interfering with his possessions in the said properties. The suit was contested by Sesma and Mukalla Chenna Reddy and was ultimately decreed on 31st January 1979 in favor of G. Rami Reddy, the respondent number 1 herein, holding that the sale deeds executed by Sesma in favor of the defendant number 5 and 6 were invalid in as much as Sesma had no right of alienation, as she did not get an absolute right in the properties. No appeal appears to have been preferred against the said judgment. On 15th August 1991, Sesma died and On 19th October 1991, G. Rami Reddy filed OS number 111 of 1991, which is the present suit in the Court of Subordinate Judge Nujvid for a direction upon the defendants to put him in possession of the suit properties and also for payment of mense profits. The defendant number 2 duly filed his written statement and the same was adopted by defendant numbers 1, 3 and 4, denying the claim of the plaintiffs and asserting their independent right to the properties through their late father G. Pichi Reddy. It was also the case of the defendant numbers 1 to 4 that they had perfected their rights in respect of items number 4 and 5 of the plant schedule by way of adverse possessions, and that SESMA had a pre-existing right of maintenance in the properties of G. Pulla Reddy and their life estate created under the gift deed dated 21st December 1952 blossomed into an absolute estate under section 14 under bracket 1 of the Hindu Succession Act 1956. Although it was admitted that the rights in respect of the properties covered under item number 6 of the plant schedule had become final in OS number 17 of 1975, it was at the same time submitted that the same could not operate as re judicata in the present suit. Stop. So guys, almost a 100 WPM पे था with fluctuations. स्टार्टिंग में मैंने स्लो रखा था, बाद में थोड़ा सा फास्ट किया था इसे, ठीक है। तो होप सो आप लोग इसे अच्छे से लिखेंगे। इसका सेकेंड पार्ट जो है नेक्स्ट डे यानी कि डिक्टेशन नंबर 9 के साथ आ जाएगा। तो यदि आपको डिक्टेशंस पसंद आ रहे हैं तो चैनल को लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। थैंक यू सो मच।